everyone, welcome to our fire lab. I'm your lab supervisor, Pei Yisun. Today we are going to test the response threshold of heat detectors. First, there are two aims for this experiment. Then, let's take a look at the test equipment. Here is our wind tunnel. Besides it is the control panel and data collectors. The wind tunnel is a closed circulating duct. In the video, you can see 3 doors. Let's take a look at those doors one by one. Behind the first door here is a fan. It can accelerate the air and generate the wind. Then, if we open the second door, we can see an electric heater. The accelerated air would pass through this heater and be heated, so we can get a hot air flow. The power of this heater has been already adjusted to 1 kilovolts. The hot air are flowing to the top part of the duct. Here we have the testo thermal anemometer, which can measure the temperature and airspeed at that point. We can use our cell phone, connect with this meter, and monitor the real-time temperature and wind speed. We can see how technology could change our life. Finally, we are going to the third door. This is the place we install the heat detector. This is the heat detector. When the temperature is higher than the design value, it will trigger the alarm. For this detector, the set temperature is 57 degrees Celsius. Near the heat detector, we have a thermocouple to test the temperature. In control panel, we have 2 switches, which control the heater and fan separately. This black box is a switch of the alarm. This button can adjust the fan power. Rotating this button can enhance the fan power, so we can have a higher airspeed. Now, let's start our test. First, install the heat detector and put the thermocouple near to the heat detector. Make sure all the doors of the wind tunnel are closed. Next step, turn on the alarm switch. Then turn on the fan and adjust the airspeed to 1.5 meter per second. When the airspeed is stable and fluctuating around 1.5 meter per second, we can turn on the heater. At the meantime, use a stopwatch to record the starting time. The temperature of the air is gradually increasing. All data are recorded by the cell phone with an interval time of 2 seconds. Several minutes later, when the alarm is ringing, stop recording the time. Turn off the alarm and the heater. Waiting the wind tunnel cooling down to a room temperature, and then we can start another group of tests. Totally, 3 wind speeds were tested, and all data are summarized here. Please use those data to finish your logbook.